Hello there, my friends. So we are here working on my website, and I'm going to show you. This is WordPress, of course. It's in the title. That's why you're here. So how do you embed one of these YouTube videos into your web page? Well, it's actually really simple. Right down here, there's this plus button, and I'm going to hit add, and it means add a block. And a block is, well, without getting technical, it's you pull it up and you can see here's a bunch of different blocks you can add: columns, audio, YouTube videos. You can embed a link, you can hit browse all, and then you have all of these different things you can do. It's ridiculous. Links to all your socials. But anyway, you're here to watch this how to embed a YouTube video. So go ahead to YouTube, click on that, and page down. See how it says here, enter URL to embed here. So I'm going to go to my channel content. Oh, sorry. I am going to go to my YouTube studio. I'm going to go to content. I'm going to type in podcast and show all, and then 69. Wow. And so we're going to have a couple different podcasts here because I want to show the variety of the type of podcasts that I do. So I already got a Star Wars, already got a Roman history, got a Zen philosophy. Let's do the dualists. We'll get a shareable link. It says right here, link copy to clipboard. And then I'm going to go back to the edit page. This one here. And it says YouTube, enter YouTube URL. Just put your cursor there, hit paste, either by, well, I do it by Control V, and then hit embed. And then there you go, your video is embedded there. And how do you know that that worked? Well, go up here and hit update. And once that's updated, hit preview and hit preview new tab. And then go down to that embedded video. Click on it. Wait, click on it. And it should play. And that's my little intro. And yeah. And let's go to full screen. It goes to full screen. It's fantastic. All right, so gotta love it. Hit that. You can advance the video. You can go like that. All right, so that's what we got. If you have any questions, let me know. And if this helped you at all, give you any value, just smash like for me. That's how you pay me back. No money changes hands. Just hit the like button. And we're all out here helping each other, so if you have any good tips for us on WordPress or anything else, put them in the comments below. Maybe it'll give me an idea to make another video, and you'll most likely teach me something I don't know, because I am always learning. Remember, the universe wants you to succeed. That's what it says on my homepage here. The universe wants you to succeed. So let's all succeed together. Have a great day. See you on the next one.